In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign case in Salesforce 2025, step by step. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and make sure you're on the main Salesforce home screen. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is open the area where cases are managed. To do that, click the App Launcher, which is the grid icon usually found in the top left corner of the screen. In the search bar, type cases, and then open the Cases tab from the results. After the Cases tab opens, you'll see the list of available cases. From here, select the specific case you want to assign. Make sure you open the correct record, especially if your team handles a high volume of support requests or service tickets. Choosing the right case before making changes helps avoid assigning the wrong record to the wrong person or queue. Once the case record is open, click Edit. This will allow you to update the case details. In the Edit view, look for the Case Owner field, which may also appear simply as Owner depending on how your Salesforce layout is configured. This field controls who is responsible for the case, so this is the key area you'll be updating. Next, click the lookup icon next to the Owner field. This lets you search for the person or queue you want to assign the case to. Enter the name of the user or queue, then review the search results carefully and select the correct option. Assigning a case to a user means one specific person becomes responsible for it, while assigning it to a queue makes it available to a group, which can be helpful for team-based case management. After you've selected the new owner, take a moment to review the rest of the case details. If needed, you can update any additional fields while you're already in edit mode. This can save time and help keep the record accurate and complete. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. At that point, the case will be reassigned to the user or queue you selected. A helpful tip here is to double-check the owner field after saving, just to confirm the assignment was updated successfully. This is especially useful if your organization uses automation, routing rules, or validation requirements that could affect what gets saved. And that's how to assign a case in Salesforce. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes quick and easy.